electronics manufacturing, precision is measured in microns, from semiconductor packaging to PCB assembly to display panels. Defects at these scales are invisible: warpage, waffles, oversized solder bumps, uneven seated components. But the impact isn't invincible. They lead to electrical failures, often caught too late, or discovered by your customer. Traditional measurements methods are not enough, and manual sampling simply can't keep up. So defects slip through to final tests or all the way to your customer. OMRON ZPL laser displacement sensor changes that. Using high precision laser triangulation, it measures without ever touching the part. It captures height, thickness and warpage, even on shiny, dark or complex surfaces like HDD platters or IC chips on PCB boards. It delivers stable, reliable readings with easy setup, operating at full production speed. With real-time data via Ethernet IP and I/O link, every measurement fits directly into your control system the moment it's taken. That means 100% inline inspection, not just sampling.